The only place where Kohli can hit a century
and leave the ball outside of.
अरे बेंचो
Too hot. अरे मेरा फोन भी गिरा.
This is what happens, guys. Let that be a lesson.
क्या bowling attack looks so bad without Bumrah.
Southam Gambia.
But
फिर उसके बाद वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एक्चुअली ऐसे आंख करके बात करता है ना, मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो जाता हूँ. मेरे दोनों निप्पल के नीचे टैटू किया मैंने 75 और 90. ठीक है, जस्ट आई डोंट वांट हिम अराउंड.
Intros are out, guys. Episode?
Oh, have we started?
Yeah, we have.
Oh, sorry.
Episode 34.
34. Krishnappa Gautam.
And intros are out from
For a
this
reason.
episode.
That's it.
Because intros are stupid, like our inner critic and outer critic.
Our only
Sunny
critic
Paji.
right now. There is only critics right now. There is nothing else.
What is Sanjay Manjrekar? बता दे. Sanjay Manjrekar.
Yeah,
and
Sanjay
Sunil
Manjrekar.
Gavaskar.
When
Mumbai School of Cricketers.
ऋषभ पंत ने जब 60 मारा, जब he got to his half century,
हाँ.
he said in commentary कि this proves that Pant has not been listening to the external noise
Oh.
that has been trying to pull him down.
Oh, nice. I think Mumbai School of Batsmanship is great, but Mumbai
Yeah.
School of Commentatorship is the worst. And
Yeah.
this Billy Bowden ने पहले इसका भी मूड नहीं हो रहा है. She's like बंद करो ये पॉडकास्ट. You know, she's like that रंग दे बसंती अतुल कुलकर्णी कि हो गया बस. ये
भाई,
बाहर के समा
हमने-
क्रिकेट हमारा स्पोर्ट है ही नहीं.
तो क्या है
हॉकी
भाई?
हमारा स्पोर्ट है.
That's right. Let's hockey. India, let's hockey now. Hockey का next कब है?
Board of Control for Hockey in India.
Also, Gavaskar is angry कि उसको टूर्नामेंट मैच प्रेजेंटेशन में नहीं बुलाया. He's like टूर्नामेंट मेरे नाम में है तो मुझे तो रखना चाहिए. They didn't call him apparently. बहुत कुछ हुआ है. As you can see, हम लोग कुछ भी ठीक से इंट्रो कुछ नहीं किया है because you know अब तक हो गया है, खत्म है बिडू, हार गए हम.
हार गए.
3-1. अगर बुमराह रहता तो सब जीत जाते ऑब्वियसली, ऐसे ही सोचना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बुमराह रहता तो they would have been 86 all out.
They would have been all out in
They
no
would have
time.
been 86 for 6 and then Alex Carey would have come and hit the winning runs.
Yeah, they would have.
Along with Pat Cummins.
It would have been even more frustrating loss
Yeah.
because you would have come closer. What the fuck was?
पहली बात,
हाँ.
before the match, you
Yeah.
have to tell me about Gautam Gambhir. We've already discussed this.
Gautam Gambia.
But before that, I want to tell you what the hell is. Gautam Gambhir was asked, is Rohit playing tomorrow? He said, we will look at the pitch and we will discuss. Decide. I'm like, तुम pitch देख के captain decide करते हो अपना? ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
I love the bullshit talk conversations that were
What the
happening.
hell was that? I'm like, he gave a fucking straight. None of these people.
Firstly, ये BCCI हमारा great जो board है, the gods.
The gods of ICC is also our god now.
The lamest sport, not cricket, lamest sporting body on earth.
Yeah.
They don't have any like just be chill.
They have like small dick energy.
Small dick energy
like,
of
they
the
would drive
highest order.
a Fortuner on the road.
Absolutely.
And do the double light.
Even Bumrah को बोल दिया उन्होंने to say कि our captain has opted to rest, which shows his leadership.
Yeah,
क्या
what
leadership?
the hell was that positivity
Just-
about? Like,
let's
it felt
be
like
real.
like a Suraj Bharjatiya Marwadi family like
Yeah.
at a wedding.
That's-
After having like a big fight at home, they're like, oh, we gotta like show this face.
Yeah,
I
we
hate
don't.
this shit about like India in general.
Yeah.
Like हमारा culture में ये
we are the
है.
fucking worst with this shit.
कभी हम
Just-
hate नहीं कर सकते
Just
openly.
be open. We are not some angels. सिर्फ ऑस्ट्रेलिया जैसे सब पायरेट्स है, हम भी है अंदर से भाई. देखा विराट ने कैसे सैंड पेपर का ये किया
जब हम हार रहे
जब
थे.
हम हार रहे थे. टाइमिंग भी नहीं पता है
सनी
हमें.
पाजी सच में अच्छा लगने लगा है. 2025 रेजोल्यूशन, गेट योर इनर सनी आउट.
That's right. Sunny side out. मैं भी हेयर डाई करने लगूंगा before the graying only. ठीक है.
कम ऑन, इट्स ऑल नेचुरल.
It's all natural. अरे बेंचो.
टू हट. अरे मेरा फोन भी गिरा. हट जा.
This is what happens, guys. Let that be a lesson.
In life for Shubman Gill.
Man.
I don't know for whom.
तुझे क्या लगता है if Bumrah was not injured
Yeah.
तो हम जीत सकते थे?
यार एक्चुअली द थिंग इज, आई थिंक इसमें सबसे बड़ी गलती एक ही इंसान की है. stupid Rishabh Pant,
इसका क्या
who
है?
gave them a blueprint actually.
Oh,
He did a
अच्छा.
good job by hitting those
By
60
scoring
runs.
those runs.
Yeah, but that gave them the blueprint saying, कि, okay, we just have to come out and hit. I mean, they would
तो
have also
ऐसे
thought,
टारगेट चुपचाप 65 का टारगेट रखना था and they would be like 65
Is
दिया है नहीं हो पाएगा हमसे आउट हो जाता हूँ.
yeah, what was Rishabh? Yeah, I think Rishabh Pant ने मतलब वही समझ में आ गया कि
I
अभी
was
survive
thinking of
करना
the
है.
positives in this
नीतीश
test
रेड्डी भी
match.
कुछ नहीं कर पाया.
इस बार हो गया.
मेरा बेस्ट था कि मैं अपनी दाढ़ी बना रहा था और वो बोल रहे थे अभी कौन आउट हो गया, अरे वो चोकली वोकली बोल रहे थे. फिर अच्छा हुआ, अरे वो वॉशिंगटन सुंदर बोल रहे वो छचुंदर. Like he just angry at
छचुंदर.
everyone. My guy, हमने हाँ और मेरे दाढ़ी बना रहा है वो, तो I can't disagree with him.
Yeah, that's a very vulnerable
Yeah.
moment for a man कि
तो
अभी
like,
मेरा
घटिया ही है ये नीतीश
मेरा
रेड्डी.
विराट कोहली को अगर रोहित शर्मा बना दिया तो मेरे दाढ़ी को. But I was
Positives.
trying to think of positives. मेरा main positive
देखो ऐसा ऑप्टिमिज्म मुझे चाहिए 2025 के लिए कि
That's
ये
right.
आदमी अभी भी पॉजिटिव्स देख रहा
भाई
है.
मेरा इतना घटिया न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट हुआ है कि I've been sick from day one.
Oh.
तो I'm like अभी मेरे को positives ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
First 5 days of the new year I was just watching Netflix
Yes.
and that's not a good way to start. You
कौन सा शो देखा?
मैंने
कंकॉन की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देख
कंकॉन
ली.
लाइव देख लिया.
देख ले
अच्छा
कैसे
है.
मेरे को
Very
देखना है.
funny, very funny.
हाँ.
Then
roast of the
रोस्ट ऑफ जेफ रॉस वो भी देख लिया.
ओ वो मैं नहीं देखा.
हाँ,
फाइनली समवन रोस्टेड
Squid
Jeff.
Game 2 देख लिया.
I heard it's very bad.
I it's not very
I
bad.
really liked
It was very
but
good.
they ended it on like too much of a cliffhanger.
Yeah, because they're trying to get season 3 in अभी आ जाएगा.
Even the first cliffhanger was like what the hell.
It's
I'm
pretty
trying to
good. The
understand.
games are good. मुझे तो ठीक ही लगा.
Oh, nice.
It's nicely produced.
Okay.
Squid Game, if you like the first one and you didn't like this one, that just doesn't make sense to me because it's the same games. You've come for
Oh,
the
the
game.
same game.
No, the games are
Different.
changed.
Okay.
One game is the same.
Okay, so I have a
हाँ.
question from
Yeah.
the Indian team.
Yeah.
Okay, let's choose a
Squid Game for India.
let's choose the first season से any Squid Game का popular game
Okay.
and let's put our Indian team.
the first game.
This one, that running and
वाला.
stopping.
क्या
Okay.
बोलते हैं? What's the running game called? Do you remember?
The
First
DPL
game.
one,
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Squid Game.
Squid Game.
Fuck man.
yellow light, green light.
Yeah.
No,
Red light, green light.
Red
Red
light,
light,
green
green
light.
light करते हैं अभी.
Who do you want
Red-
to
red light,
be
green.
shot?
First of all, वो that game requires you to run. तो रोहित शर्मा ही पहले जाएगा.
He's stepping out.
unfortunately.
He's stepping down.
Oh, he's stepping
He's not
down.
retiring.
अरे मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ यार. That was the funniest exit I've ever seen.
Man, Rohit Sharma in those training clothes looking so like a coach, you know. I'm like, this guy's a
he's
captain,
like
he's a coach.
He's looking like the sun himself. Red light, green light में और कौन जाएगा? This
विराट कोहली मेरे को लगता है ओवर स्ट्रेच करेगा और आउट हो जाएगा.
Dude, Virat Kohli, how can you get out these many times the same way? एक बार मंजरेकर बोल रहा था, I think he would have taken just being out at the same score in a different way.
Yeah.
Even that he would have preferred. कि कहीं और way में out हो गया मैं.
And there's no talk about Virat Kohli's bad form or
man,
anything. Like,
it's-
okay, he had 1 century.
It's brutal, dude. It was. I'm sure. Do you think he'll ever play in Australia again?
I don't think he's coming back. At least 2 years तक ये form, because अगर अभी इसके बाद हमें अपना इंडिया का चलो शेड्यूल खोलना है 2025
हाँ
का
देखते हैं
शेड्यूल.
क्या है अभी.
अभी तो
क्रिकेट
is the
तो
T-
चलते रहेगा.
Yeah, but right now we know, of course, it's the T20s
T20s
इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट.
and-
सूर्य कुमार की फेस देख के इतना खुश हो रहा था
Oh,
मैं. I'm like,
man.
finally अभी
Just want to see
सूर्य.
Sky chewing his gum.
Yeah.
हमारा गम भी चू लो आप. With your chewing gum.
So then there are 3 ODIs against England. Then there's
Yeah.
Champions Trophy.
Champions Trophy.
And then we go to England to play tests. So
That's when Rohit will be back. Rohit will be back with his quick fire 3 of 8 balls.
yeah, is it in quick fire though? Is it like slow?
He's
Yeah.
weathering the ball for the second batsman.
He's getting the ball new. He's like, मुझे कुछ पुराना पसंद नहीं. मैं नया चावल हूँ, पुराना चावल नहीं.
And my biggest fear is Bumrah's fitness.
Dude,
Remember we discussed कि बुमराह को
बुमराह
रैप करके रखो. ये हमारे टीम इतना एक आदमी पे रिलाई किया है कि आई वाज श्योर कि एट सम पॉइंट बुमराह का ये
last day पे वो भी यार. वो भी on the juiciest wicket for Bumrah.
So much drama.
Yeah.
He could have done it. And Bumrah would have done some because he was like, that fire was in him.
Yeah.
This test match, especially because of that crazy moment, Sam Constas. और उसका जो first innings
Sam
में
Qantas.
Sam Qantas.
As Yashasvi has said.
Qantas Airlines.
Qantas, ball नहीं दिख रही तुझे.
I think that will be
Voltas का नहीं Qantas का AC लगा
that's an
रहा हूँ.
all-time test match moment. It'll never be forgotten.
Yeah.
The whole last 2 balls में जो fight हुआ, Khwaja was
It
taking
was so
his time.
unnecessary by Qantas.
Yeah, it's so unnecessary. And in fact, he is responsible for sort of getting us in the game because
Yeah.
India was hopeless at that moment.
Yeah.
We got that wicket and everything. Like the next day was amazing.
Yeah.
It was the best day for
Yeah.
us.
Dude, but Bumrah, man, like our bowling attack looked so bad without Bumrah. Like Prasidh Krishna, first inning great.
Yeah.
Second inning he gets hit.
Yeah, they just not. This is what Australia never did. They
Were
never
on-
missed their line and length, dude.
They were
And
so much on
Scott
point.
Boland तो भाई भूल ही गया. He's an AI.
बोलेंड के बारे में यार मेरे को मैं बोला था तुझे बहुत खुश हुई थी पब्लिक हेजलवुड आउट हियर आई एम लाइक भाई स्कॉट बोलेंड आई वाज होपिंग कि उस दिन वो लोग हेजलवुड को लेके जाते बुमराह के साथ ताकि उसको भी जल्दी ठीक करा दो
Seriously.
और उससे लेकर आओ जाओ ये साले बोलेंड को
Fucking
ये स्लिदरिंग
under-
कैप्टन को हटाओ यहाँ से
अंडर
साले को
कुछ 12 या 13 उसका एवरेज है हर विकेट
हाँ 13 का आई थिंक उसका एवरेज है उसने 6 विकेट ले लिए सेकंड इनिंग में मतलब अनप्लेएबल लाइक
unplayable. I mean, to be fair, this pitch was unplayable. Like no
Yeah.
one could bat on this. Only Rishabh Pant की जैसे पागल चाहिए
हाँ.
तुम्हें to survive.
नीतीश रेड्डी भी कुछ नहीं कर पाया ये टेस्ट मैच बट वील गिव हिम
उनका बाप नहीं आया था. I guess.
इज लाइक सेंचुरी हो गई अभी टीम में बट आई टेल यू व्हाट
इसका भी मंजरेकर का एक फनी था.
क्या बोलते हैं?
मंजरेकर ने बोला कि apparently after he hit his century उसके इंटरव्यू में he said yeah I wanted to prove my haters wrong. And I was Nitish Kumar Reddy. And Manjrekar like, hello, don't. It's too early to have haters.
Yeah.
Like, don't start playing
Oh my
out this
God.
narrative so
Manjrekar
early.
is like also getting honest, man.
Yeah,
Like,
dude, I appreciate it.
My inside Manjrekar needs to come out.
मेरा guys, Sunny Paji and Manjrekar, हम दो. There are inside us. There are two wolves, Manjrekar and Gavaskar.
Okay, but मेरे को एक बात बता. ऋषभ पंत honestly except this match भी उतना कुछ उखाड़ा
नहीं
नहीं
नहीं,
था.
this is a
But
bad series.
yeah, Shubbu also bad series.
Shubbu
and I-
just yeah.
Shubbu I feel like okay. the
Short
thing-
selection.
शॉर्ट सिलेक्शन फॉर दिस मैच बट मैं बोलूँ उसको खिला देते तुम मतलब वो सेकंड
नहीं,
टेस्ट में आया
100%.
थर्ड टेस्ट फिर तुमने
खेलना
उसको
तो
बिठा
था।
दिया सॉरी फोर्थ टेस्ट बिठाया था ना उसको
Fourth.
हाँ तो 3 मेरे को लगता है कुछ एक बड़ा स्कोर आ सकता था
Yeah.
मतलब बट वही है अभी आई थिंक दिस टीम नीड्स लाइक
Also, very bad selection with bowling in this match.
Yeah.
They took 2 spinners. They saw this pitch.
हाँ
And they still took 2 spinners. What the fuck?
yeah and Nitish Kumar Reddy honestly not like
Yeah.
The
he's
best,
not-
like,
Yeah. Harshit
fourth
Rana
seamer.
could have played this match.
yeah oh
This
that
is
would
the
have been
match he should
lethal
have played.
as well
It's very bad. And now with Bumrah, imagine Bumrah injured. If we had one more pacer, क्या भाई गंभीर क्या कर रहे हो भाई तुम?
बता गंभीर के बारे में
हाँ
तुझे
फिर
क्या
उसके
पता?
बाद वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में नो एक्चुअली ऐसे आंख करके बात करता है ना मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो जाता हूँ.
मेरे को तो वो बहुत अनोइंग इन जनरल
I was telling you before कि part of me wants India to lose because I want Gambhir out. I hate Gambhir.
Oh my God.
As a coach, as a hero of our country, he has won us 2 World Cups. All that I
75
That's permanent.
and 97
पर-
okay before he
भाई,
mentioned
मैं
before he
दोनों-
comments
मैं दोनों निप्पल के नीचे टैटू किया मैंने 75 और 90 ठीक है बट एज अ जस्ट आई डोंट वांट हिम अराउंड द टीम मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता है आई फील लाइक इट्स अ बैड
yeah it's a bad vibe
bad vibes.
and Manjrekar also has said something कि it was maybe Rohit did that interview because it was giving credit
To Gambhir.
to Gambhir okay oh Gambhir's taking those hard calls
fair
and 2 more things that I want to point out one shit the other one I forgot only while talking to you but the PR around Rohit Sharma you know those comments I'm going to send those comments to Antriksh I'm going to send you those comments and full PR has happened
Yeah.
oh look at this Rohit Sharma he's a selfless guy
He's a legend.
Yeah.
It's all क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
PR
PR जो ट्विटर में भेजते हैं उन लोग
IT cell
हाँ IT सेल
क्या बोल
IT सेल ही है उसका कुछ टर्म है डूड पैक स्टार्टर पैक ऐसे कुछ
स्टार्टर पैक बोल सकते हैं
स्टार्टर पैक टाइप ही है कुछ
हाँ
but they
स्टार्टर
give
पैक
out
था
a
जिसमें
pack.
वो एक वो लड़की को लोग जेल भेज दिए थे
वही वो भेज दिया उन्होंने सबको कि डालो
ये डालो अरे डूड इट्स सो एक तो हाँ दैट वाज वन सेकंड वाज BCCI BCCI तो बोल रहे हैं इंटरव्यू निकाल दिया रोहित शर्मा
Yeah,
का
I'm assuming BCCI ही किया होगा because if you guys saw that Rohit Sharma interview
Yeah.
with Irfan Pathan and
Jatin Sapru.
Jatin Sapru,
हाँ.
It was up. It was very funny last में वो जैसे बोल के निकल गया ऐसे
कि भाई मैं रिटायर नहीं मार रहा
अरे मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ यार so I found that funny. I sent it to many of my friends and then they replied कि link नहीं खोल रहा है
oh
and then I went to
so
Star
something
Sports,
is
it's gone.
happening.
Why
Something-
would you remove it?
Do you think Gambhir got it removed?
Some fucking guy got it removed. हमारे इंडियन क्रिकेट बोर्ड का मतलब यही है हमारा
Yeah.
रेड टेप एंड जस्ट लाइक not ease of business का opposite just make it as hard as
As
possible.
possible. Man, BCCI are like really tiny dick energy.
Tiny dick energy.
Yeah, हम ये सब बोल रहे हैं, but if Jio Cinema wants us to be a part of like anything, you know, we will delete this episode. हमारा कोई ईमान नहीं. अगर किसी का ईमान होना चाहिए तो BCCI का, अगर उनका नहीं है तो हमारा भी नहीं है.
बहुत छोटे dash inside. That is what BCCI stands for.
बहुत छोटे.
Cocks. But we
बहुत
love you. We
छोटे.
love you, Indian cricket. Indian cricket के लिए हम कुछ भी
Indian
कर
cricket
सकते
will
हैं.
always survive.
Yeah.
And we will move on. We will win the important bilateral
Yeah.
series.
This is what will matter now ना अभी हार्दिक पांड्या आएगा हमारे रियल लेजेंड्स आएंगे ये सब क्या है भाई रिफ्रैफ ये सब नहीं देखना है मेरे को
यशस्वी and all.
इनको हटाओ भाई
Like Nitish Kumar Reddy. Red ball is actually not real cricket. I don't even
Yeah.
know. There is like only white ball is the real ball,
White ball.
in cricket.
white
White people and white ball.
white है तो right है मैं यही बोलता हूँ with cricket and also shout out I wanted I've noted down I've said this few
Shout out,
times
yeah.
shout out to Mark Nicholas full 5 match series में यशस्वी नहीं बोल पाया
हाँ,
यशस्वी great
It was so
bowling by
annoying,
यशस्वी and nobody's correcting him like एक आदमी तो बोलो भाई
एक तो मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रहा ये 2.5 day वाले टेस्ट मैचेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी होने लग गए. I think in
Dude.
general I feel like test cricket something is wrong
something is
with
wrong.
test cricket, with especially test cricket batting.
yeah
Oh shit, this is over.
Sunny
And now it is
Paji.
playing low 5. No, we need more Sunny Paji.
Sunny play it again dude क्या problem
वापस चला रहा हूँ ये.
we
Very
need to see
important.
Sunny Paji in the background to
Background.
feel comfortable
Bandhan Mutual Fund, if you want to.
yeah you can sponsor us we've
Yeah.
given you
They have
without
227k views. That's not a lot. We also have combined. Actually,
we don't have चलेगा but सनी पाजी का सूटकेस रेडी है पीछे to come back home
Has team left Australia? What are left? एक तो बीच में इन लोगों ने वो भी पता है बहुत कुछ किया था कि ओ हम लोग की टीम साथ में नहीं है. फर्स्ट मैच के बाद भी हम लोग ने साथ में सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया था. भरत सुंदराजन आई थिंक और आई फॉरगॉट हिज सरनेम. आई एम रॉन्ग अबाउट द सरनेम.
हाँ.
The journalist with the long hair.
हाँ,
He
हाँ,
said
हाँ.
after the first match also they all went their own ways. And none of us were like they did not celebrate together.
Oh, no.
One of the guys even said, "I'll put my credit card." You know, like a senior player. Okay, come on, let's. All went their own way.
oh no
And then at 1 a.m. in the night before one of the test matches, I met like this one of the reserve bowlers, and I
Okay.
said, "What are you doing now? Grabbing a bite?" He's like, "Yeah, have you spoken to the coach? You know." Like nothing's been, there's no communication. तो पूरा उसने जले पे नमक तो लगाया है. अब
हाँ.
पता नहीं कितना ट्रू है ये
I
सब.
think the real problem is that इंडिया में क्रिकेट इतना obsession है कि ये जर्नलिस्ट ये this is his career
Yeah.
कैसे वो career बनाता है
Yeah, he was properly.
ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम कुछ भी कर रहे होंगे उस टाइम पे ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम वो क्रोकोडाइल के ऊपर बैठ के दारू पी रहे होंगे बट नो वन विल से एनीथिंग
I just feel-
no one gives a shit
No one cares, and I feel this is Gautam Gambhir's coaching era, the new Greg Chappell era.
Oh
like
my
that is
God.
the question.
Oh my God.
Is it going to make for a good book later on? And we
If-
don't even write on his books. That's another fuck up. Like Sachin's book has such
There
bad
is
mention about
we
it.
don't make all his movies MS धोनी मूवी अनटोल्ड स्टोरी में काफी कुछ अनटोल्ड रह गया है कुछ भी नेगेटिव नहीं है धोनी के लाइफ में अपेरेंटली सब पॉजिटिव ही है
सब कुछ पॉजिटिव. वी आर अनटोल्ड ही है हमारा सब
Untold
कुछ.
ही है. हम लोग-
ऑनेस्ट नहीं है कुछ भी.
हम लोग को we can't take it we are the most like we can't take insults basically even when it deals with reality like नहीं reality नहीं पे नहीं जाने का इधर
या तूने देखा कि 2024 में हम थोड़े महीने पहले ही T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीते थे.
यार,
भूल
dude.
गए उसके बारे में. ऐसा लग रहा है
भाई,
बहुत सालों पहले हो गई थी.
कल ही मैं उसका ऐड देखा ना रिमेम्बर पांड्या रो रहा है और हमने ओ हाँ पांड्या रो रहा
हाँ,
है
इन लोग ने अपनी लेगेसी खराब कर दी है ऑलरेडी. बिकॉज ये लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मुझे नहीं लगता क्योंकि अगर अभी इंग्लैंड में खेलने वाले वहां पर वापस फिर से एक्सपोज होने वाले. केएल राहुल को भी थोड़ी गाली पड़ना बनता है. व्हाट डू यू
पर इंडिया में हो रहा है ना वो
नहीं, I think India is going to England.
Oh, अच्छा.
Later
Oh,
on.
you're saying the test series.
Test series.
हाँ,
I'm talking about test
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
test.
One day, so we'll talk about Champions Trophy when it starts. But
Yeah.
what do you think of KL Rahul? I think he was very hot and cold throughout.
He was
the
hot
season.
and cold, but I mean, we are in a situation where he was one of the still
Better
better
ones,
players.
yeah.
We have bigger issues to deal
Yeah,
with
yeah.
in the team.
Yeah.
Also, Rahul is one of the best slip fielders.
Oh,
He
yeah.
never drops a
We were
catch.
very good in this
He
test
was,
match.
Yeah,
actually.
even Jaiswal.
was very good.
Now that,
Only Virat is a
now
bad
that-
slip fielder.
Yeah,
and अभी इस पे
yeah.
गाली दोगे तो please
हाँ.
comment में गाली दो actually. दो comment में गाली दो, but Virat.
I think Virat, like while the ball is coming to his hand, he's already visualizing running and
Yeah.
saying benchot.
Yeah.
And that he loves to visualize. So that visualization comes too early और हाथ से गिर जाता है कभी-कभी. But also Jaiswal, I think as long as Rohit is not near to shout at him, वो अच्छा feel करता है. That's what I love. Hey Jaiso.
So overall, तो I think what were the positives? चलो, let's Bumrah of course.
Bumrah greatest ever.
I think even like bowlers को तुम इस match में
नहीं यार, Siraj
series
also
में
bowled
Siraj
well
also
in
bowled
this
well.
match.
Yeah, they had off lengths in the last this thing, but
हाँ.
it's fine. Like you can't blame them.
You can't blame the bowlers.
It's been the batting
It's the
unit.
batting. We have to figure this out.
I feel we just lost by 2 centuries. Like Travis Head scored 2 back-to-back, and then Smith scored 2 back-to-back.
True.
And we didn't have anyone scoring back-to-back centuries. Yashu scored 2 80s together.
Yeah.
But we needed that one, like a Virat,
We really
a bigger guy.
I
to
think this
step
must
up.
be one of the batting wise one of our poorest series in terms of.
Yeah.
We never have a series like this कि दो batsmen ने भी ठीक से century नहीं मारा दो तीन.
हाँ.
Like it's just been Jaiswal and
हाँ.
once Nitish hit one.
Nitish hit one,
Rohit,
Jaiswal hit one,
Kohli hit one in the
hit one, but
beginning,
that
but,
that Kohli counts doesn't count. But and then KL scored an 80 something.
Yeah,
where
yeah.
Great catch. And
but
again,
it could be the
Jasasvi Yashwal scored.
Even though it could be
280s
the
as well.
pitches like you're saying आज का this is what you were saying कि इनको पैसा नहीं चाहिए क्या टिकट का पैसा ग्राउंड्स को they are making games which will never go to day 5 they could have sold so many more tickets
Yeah.
if you make a more
Only
flat
one test
track.
match went till the 5th day.
Yeah.
The last one.
the fourth one
The fourth one went. No, or the third one.
I think both of them went to day 5
To day 5.
but
okay.
with rain was involved in both of them
अरे यार.
without rain till last session एक
मैच लातूर में लगाओ एक मैच कुछ कच्छ में लगाओ
अरे सिडनी इज द वन व्हिच इज डिजाइंड फॉर द गोइंग टू डे 5 फ्लैट ट्रैक इन्होंने भी बोला कि हम सबसे आगे खत्म करेंगे
the wicket looked like some
या इट वाज ग्रीन एंड पैची आई वाज लाइक देख के ही समझ में
मैं
आ
तो
रहा
फिर
है
2004 वाला देखने लग गया सचिन वाला फिर
yeah.
से हमने वो वी कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ग्राउंड इसमें यार प्रॉपर बड़ा एकदम
उसका डबल 100 वाला
डबल 100 वाला देखा जिसमें स्टुअर्ट मगिल को ही एक उसने ऑफसाइड पे शॉट
जिसमें
मारा
वो इनिंग्स के बाद इयन चैपल ने बोला दिस सचिन शुड रिटायर
ओ
कि ही इज नॉट प्लेइंग दिस इज नॉट द ओल्ड सचिन एनीमोर आई डोंट लाइक हिम प्लेइंग लाइक दिस
अच्छा
बिकॉज़ ही वाज नॉट
अटैकिंग हाँ और उसके बाद 10 साल 8-9 साल खेल गया 2013 तक बट एनीवे the good thing is that we still have highlights of the 2021 series
always with us
day 5 of GABA you can keep watching it now
मतलब
for
let's
the
be
next 4
honest
years.
who will तुम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कब तक देखोगे ये 3-1 का हाइलाइट्स नहीं देखोगे
नहीं देखने वाले
गाबा हम लोग हर साल देखेंगे till we die
हम गाबा जाके हाथ भी जोड़ के आएंगे पैर मैं तो जाऊंगा पैर
मेरे लाइफ में गाबा परमानेंट है
मेरे लिए तीर्थ यात्रा है
नैट वेस्ट फाइनल भी परमानेंट है मेरे लाइफ में नासिर हुसैन को सोने ही नहीं दूंगा मैं कभी मेरे 3-4 ही ऐसे लाइफ
मैं तो बता रहा हूँ एक हम लोग को ऑस्ट्रेलिया एक मैं टूर सोच रहा हूँ प्लान करूँ क्रिकेट तीर्थ यात्रा जहाँ हम मेलबर्न चले जाए और मेलबर्न में हम जीते थे आफ्टर एडिलेड फिर गैबा चले जाए और सिडनी पहले जाना था सिडनी थोड़ा कम
पर्थ आल्सो वी वन राइट
हाँ पर्थ वी वन नो वन वाज अ ड्रॉ सिडनी वाज अ ड्रॉ नो वेट एडिलेड वी लॉस्ट कब का बात कर रहे हैं कौन सी सीरीज
ओ अच्छा तो ये वाला बोला 2021 का
इस बार तो वी वन एट पर्थ लास्ट टाइम
हाँ लास्ट टाइम वी वन एट द गैबा एंड
Gabba we won and we won
Sydney.
Melbourne.
Yeah,
Melbourne.
Yeah,
Adelaide we lost.
Yeah.
So wait, there was no Perth match that time. Was there?
Perth तो होता ही है, dude.
So Australia versus India. First was at Adelaide Oval, which we lost. Then Melbourne. which we won, then Sydney, and then Gabba.
Gabba, it was only
so I think there
4.
was no Perth. Yeah, there were 4 test
Oh.
matches. Maybe they were making the stadium. पता नहीं.
That's probably right.
Yeah.
Because Waka के बाद
अभी वो
Optus came.
Optus के,
Maybe
yeah.
that time they didn't have it yet.
हाँ. So
But
so let's talk about. So we have that series.
We have that forever.
Those fond memories. So yeah, Tirath Yatra to Australia to Melbourne. And
also, what did we learn from these last 2 series? This is how you have to pick up information and
Yeah.
use it. कि जब हमारा कैप्टन paternity leave पे जाता है, we play really well. When Rohit Sharma
when we won. Yeah.
Kohli went, we won the series.
So next time.
So bhai, please time your 9 months before BGT. You know what to do, captain.
I hate this because in the before, if you remember, beginning of this series, we did an entire thing of IPL के time बच्चा करो. Now we are like BGT के time बच्चा करो.
भाई बहुत हम लोग we can
Wags,
be hired.
all the wags.
We can be hired as the conception experts.
We are the gynacs.
Gynac.
Okay, you don't care about the महीनों के उन दिनों के
It's
लिए.
the cricketing
Gynacs.
fertility is high right now. This is the right time so that our captain goes on paternity leave. Whoever it is.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Imagine Bumrah है हमारा captain and he goes on paternity leave. खत्म भाई. हम
बहुत बड़ी चीजें हो गई है. Actually, main बड़ी चीज तो हमने डिस्कस किया ही नहीं है. युजवेंद्र चहल.
Oh, pa, I'm
That is-
sorry.
you
We
see.
must drink one for our boy. The new
वो
latest.
रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया ताकि हमारा लड़का डिवोर्स क्लब ऑफ क्रिकेट.
I mean, I think this is a really sad indication of living in the public eye.
Yeah.
If you are a obviously mismatched couple in the public's perception.
Yeah, it was always like cursed. Like it felt like in the
और-
public curse, you
और
know.
श्रेयस अय्यर का कर्ज
Shreya-
मैं तो श्रेयस अय्यर को ही ब्लेम करता हूँ हर चीज में.
Like, but there's some other choreographer involved apparently. I mean, we don't know. But
But
there
of
was some
course,
choreo-
right now it's
That's
that
for Yashasvi, I'm saying. Yuzvendra's.
Yuzendra's heart is going for he's gone in a ambulance just now.
So yeah.
But to be honest, all we know is they have unfollowed each other and deleted all their pics.
Yeah, that doesn't mean
That
they're
doesn't
divorced.
mean
It's
they're
just a
divorced.
social detox
That's
with your
just
wife.
in this day and age, it could be they're trying to fix their relationship.
Yeah, and they're trying to set healthy boundaries.
Yeah.
And not get hit for boundaries.
That's right. And I hope it all works out
Yeah.
for them. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए ये सब divorce में.
अरे अरे फुल अंकल मोड लगता है सनी पाजी आ गए बाहर. मुझे ये
Divorce is stupid, stupid, stupid.
I think it's time to end the episode on that note.
It is. This BGT is over and it's over on a sad note.
We are very sad 2025, but we have better things to look forward
I
to.
feel it would have been nicer if we just lost the way we lost against New Zealand at home. Just धमाधम हारो.
Actually वो फर्स्ट मैच जीत के हमने गलती कर दी.
Chanceless
हमने साला
loss.
होप मिल गया
Yes.
हमें और
तब
फिर
से
हम
सब
देखते
change
रह
हो
गए
गया.
और सुबह 5 बजे उठते रह गए.
उस game
आज
में
भी
भी.
मैं 5 बजे उठ गया. मैं उठ के फोन साइड में लगा देता हूँ, बस सुनता रहता हूँ कि यार क्या हो रहा है. एंड आई एम लाइक आज भी.
It's in the end, it's quite a sad end to this series, but what can you do? They had to win it at some point. बहुत टाइम से हमने रखा है ये ट्रॉफी.
एक तो अभी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हम लोग अभी वनडे सडनली पहले T20 खेल के स्विच टू वनडे 3 मैच वनडे खेलो फिर चैंपियन. मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है हाउ आर वी इवन लाइक व्हाई इज वनडे अ थिंग.
I mean, to be fair, nobody gives a shit about cricket at this moment. But how they will get us back is 23rd Feb को India Pakistan होगा Champions Trophy में, and by then we will all have to be like yeah, and then we'll be back in
cocaine rush, ketamine, you know.
Yeah, तब तक Shami will be fully back. I'm hoping.
And Shami, and there are AIF videos. Have you seen those AIF photos and videos
of Shami?
Shami and Sania Mirza. People keep sharing.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
Yeah, it's all AI.
Shami, bye.
It has nothing to do with both of them, but you know, our public, उनको divorce कब कराना है, उनको शादियाँ कब करानी है. पोल में ही लग के मेरे को लगता है अभी डिसाइड होगा.
मैच मेकिंग चलता ही है हमारे पब्लिक का. They're always moving the pieces around. But the series is over. We are done with this BGT.
We are done with this nightmare that lasted all of December.
In general, हमारे predictions बहुत ही off हुए. I think Have you made any correct predictions?
No, रहने देते हैं उसके
Actually
बारे
तूने
में।
करेक्ट प्रेडिक्ट किया है कि इंडिया will lose in Sydney. मैंने ड्रॉ बोला था.
अच्छा मैंने बोला था
तूने बोला था
Oh,
lose, so you
shit.
nailed it, man.
Oh yeah, finally.
You nailed it.
But I'm actually like, you know, getting in touch with my childhood again. You know, like I'm trying to learn how to swim. I'm
Nice.
going playing some cricket in the nets.
Nice.
I'm watching India lose in Australia. So like my childhood is coming back.
Nostalgia.
Yeah, all of it I'm happy about.
Yeah. And
The inner child is healing.
just cheers, hoping to a great England Test series where we win.
6 months later,
6
that
months
is.
later.
Yeah, उसके बीच पहले
मैं
IPL
टेस्ट
आएगा.
मोड में ही हूँ
अभी white
IPL
ball.
आएगा.
उसके पहले वाइट बॉल आएगा. बहुत है यार.
क्रिकेट
तुम
तो
लोग
चलते रहेगा.
कमेंट्स में डालो कि हमें क्या बात करनी चाहिए.
हाँ बताओ यार, हाउ डू वी गेट आउट ऑफ दिस पोस्ट BGT सैडनेस?
Yeah.
क्या करना चाहिए?
And how do we get more followers?
हाँ, ये
And
भी
how do
बताओ.
we get more sponsors?
स्पॉन्सर्स? हाँ, this episode
I have noise cancellation headphones. I have inside.
this is sponsored by PlayStation joystick.
Yeah, because I was literally playing Ashes.
हाँ.
Again, England बन के मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हरा रहा हूँ. 440 का टारगेट है.
This is the only place where Kohli can hit a century.
Yeah. And leave the ball outside.
Leave the ball
off.
outside off. Just don't press a button. Kohli, please don't press a button in your head. By the way, the last time, okay, we have to. The last time he got out in the final innings. Till now he was not reacting, but this time he went crazy.
He has been reacting in India.
DCMC बहुत किया उसके
अच्छा.
बाद. Like immediately when he got out.
Oh.
He was like, ऐसे सब
Yeah,
किया.
so it's showing the mental frustration. Spiritual मत बन, वापस AP Dillon सुन जाके.
भाई,
you know,
आजा तू
कुछ
वापस.
थोड़ा पता नहीं और कौन से रहते. जैस्मिन पता नहीं
नहीं
पंजाबी
अभी
आर्टिस्ट इतने
सीधे
सारे
मौत
रहते.
सुन भाई,
हाँ.
अभी सीधे मौत पे आ जा.
Yeah, man, ये जज्बा. I don't want these like spiritual
Yeah.
cricketers, you know.
No.
I want spiritual.
बट तू ये
Other
बोल रहा है
things.
ऑन द अदर हैंड उसने सैंड पेपर का वो भी किया है. सो वी डोंट नो व्हाट कोहली वी वांट.
Kohli is losing it.
Kohli
He
is
like,
he's like let me try this.
हाँ.
Oh ये नहीं चला, let me try. On both are the wrong options. बीच में करना था.
हाँ.
वो नहीं कर पा रहे.
anyway,
Anyway,
it's time. Comments में कुछ बोल इनको भाई. कुछ CFBR तो
कुछ
करो.
तो करो, कमेंट करो और बताओ कोहली कितना टाइम मतलब he should continue.
हाँ,
Because
should
I'll tell you
Kohli retire?
my fear is he used to have a 50 plus test average.
Now
अभी
he's at
46 है.
और जो 46 हो गया,
46 आ गया.
48 था बीच में.
हाँ, तो my fear is ODI average should never drop.
हाँ.
उसका 58 है.
हाँ.
Let it stay up
वो
there.
तो रहेगा ही. वो और 2 सेंचुरी अब मार जाएगा.
हाँ,
हम भूल
अभी
जाएंगे
मार
कि उसने
देगा.
टेस्ट में किया क्या है.
60 तक ले जाओ
हाँ.
और रिटायर कर लो.
वो 100 सेंचुरीज तो अभी भूल ही जाओ. सचिन का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाला.
Unbelievable how it's dropped off and जो अभी
Yeah,
जो
so
रूट आगे निकल गया है
rapidly.
पूरा.
अरे
It's unbelievable. But
All
anyway,
right. और क्या चाहिए 2025 में कमेंट
बताओ, हम लोग बहुत
अपने
कुछ-
रेजोल्यूशन बताओ.
अलग टाइप्स के हम एपिसोड्स करने वाले. We will get guests on also and
कोई गेस्ट अगर पहचान में आपके तो हम
हाँ,
get us in
and if
touch.
you have any guests you want us to interview,
Yeah.
please tell us.
Please don't say गौतम गंभीर और रोहित शर्मा.
गौतम गंभीर को तो मैं ऐसे इंटरव्यू नहीं करने वाला. Like, listen, we don't want to talk about it. Whatever he उसको पूछ रहा है, listen, you don't. ऐसे क्या भाई, तू हारा है अभी 3-0 at home and then 3-1 away. और क्या
भाई.
भाई 6 टेस्ट मैचेस इतने शॉर्ट टाइम में इंडिया हारा है कभी पहले? I can't remember. It's been a while.
Yeah.
But anyway, smash the like button and we'll be back with more positive vibes next time.
Yes.
Just had to get this out of our system.
Hmm.
And next time, Sunny Paji will also be in a
सनी
relaxed
पाजी
mood.
को प्रणाम.
Sunny Paji ko pranam. We are on with you on this one.
हाँ.
On this one, we are fully with you.
Okay. Bye bye.
This whole episode was an ad for Bandhan Mutual Fund.
Yes. Bandhan
Yes.
Mutual Funds
Yeah.
bringing us together.
If Parag Parekh, you want to sponsor the rival podcast, it's to Bandhan Bank, to Bandhan Mutual Fund. You know, Parag Parekh, HDFC, top 100, any mutual fund.
anyone.
Yeah, we return.
अरे
we
2
give
बार
good
खत्म हो
return.
गया
2
ये
बार हो
video.
गया भाई, आज बहुत लंबा हो
बहुत
गया.
लंबा हो गया ये.
और आ गया है Feel the Flow, Neo Jazz,
Wow,
Neo
man.
Soul.
गावस्कर के बाद ये कैसे आ गया?
थोड़ा मूड चेंज. फोटो भी देखो ऊपर.
Wow.
That is.
वो तो शुभमन लग रहा है.
ठीक है guys.
Alright guys, see you
Bye
next
bye.
time. Bye bye.